Okay, what we have here is the ELTE261 project. So what we have is a compact logic PLC with AC being switched on the local rack, AC inputs and AC outputs. The DC devices are being switched on the remote Ethernet IP DC inputs and outputs. Okay, the system is going to start here with a master control relay on. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring the MCR on and switch the AC and DC commons through there. And then when the DC comes on, the power supply will get switched through and the safety relay is going to boot up. Okay, so what this process is going to do, it's got two modes. It's going to have a control by the HMI in auto and a manual mode. And what it will do is it will load blocks from the chute here down the conveyor, and it will sense hole, no hole, metal, non-metal. So the blocks will be coming down there and it will be displayed on the HMI. Now in the auto mode, the variable frequency drive right here is going to run a little process here. We got a three-phase motor, a little process, a forward, reverse, accel, decel, etc. for each specific block and displayed on the HMI. In the manual mode, we have a two-hand safety relay here that with a two-hand start will run the blocks down just in a manual operation. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to start here in the auto mode, and we're going to get going, and the block's going to come out, and it looks like this one's going to be metal with hole. Metal with a hole. So as it rolls to the end there, it's going to pop up metal hole. And that motor did run, that was the shortest one. So they're going to take the block off. Now they're going to run a little bit of a longer process. This is a non-metal.
Wood with a hole.
Excuse me, a wood with a hole. So it's going to get it. And once again, it's going to come up there. And this motor is running
9 seconds.
9 seconds with accel and decel, okay? We're going to go one more. And then we're going to switch to manual right now. So we can switch into manual mode. The conveyor stops, okay? But if we do with a two-hand start, we can keep going. And as long as he holds that down, it's going to keep getting going. And it's going to get processed to the end. And it's going to hold it right there. That's a metal with a hole. Go ahead and... The VFD did not run the motor. That's not happening in the manual. So go ahead and take that off. Now can we go back to... He's got the manual down again. It's going to go one more time. I'm going to sense it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right here. I'm going to hit an E-stop. And what it is, it stopped it. The safety relay went down. It's blinking. And that pulls down the motor. And it pulls down the conveyor. And pulls everything down until we hit a restart. Where's the restart on that? Okay, so if I hit that, go ahead and hit restart. And then this safety clears. And that would bring the external devices back online. So that's what we got. Good job, guys.